In data presentation, we are going to learn some basic concept. Here in Excel sheet, we can see that all are small boxes. Just here I pressed. In the left upper corner, we can see the address of that cell, in which L is an alphabet which indicates the column, and 27 is the row number. So each cell has its own identification by column number first and then row number. For the purpose of presentation of a data, we will divide data into this part, which is a qualitative data, and remaining, which is a numerical, is a quantitative data. Now we are going to select the whole sheet. Click at the row below the variable names and column which is a which not include the serial number. Just click here, then drag up to the level of a data from where up to where you want to select it. We will again do select here. Now we can move down. Like this way we can select the data, or in the upper left corner here we are going to write first cell name, that is a B2, and last cell number, which is a I31. So here I will write B2 colon B2 colon I31. Enter. The data gets selected. Now I am going to select the insert option. Here in insert we can see pivot table. Click on that. I want to show where the data presentation on a existing worksheet, or you can select on the next worksheet. In existing worksheet, go on the option existing worksheet, then go to the cell where you want to get represented it. I am selecting here P column and the 8th row. Now I will press OK. Here on the right corner, we can see that various options are there. Here the gender, religion, caste, age, height, weight, and all the variables that we are included in our data set. Now I want to know about details about the gender. I want a frequency of a gender or the number of a male and female candidate. I will select here gender. It will automatically come here in a row label. Now I want a value. I want value of a gender. I will click here and I will drag over here. Then we will get count of males and females. Here in our data set, no females we are finding. Okay. So only the gender count we get of about the males. Here might be some difficulties of some. I will again select the gender and count of a gender. For this, I will again the select data. Now insert pivot table in existing worksheet. I will select the destination here, P16, and again I will select gender, and here count of, just drag and down here over the values. Here we observe that in this data set 12 female and 18 males are there. I will select this data. And I will insert the table. Here we can see that male and female, how much are there, are indicated by the bar graph. Now I want a percentage. So like this way, I again can perform same this for religion. I will deselect the gender and I will do the count for the religion. Now in this count, if I want how many males and females are there, I will enroll the gender in this value row and we will get the count of genders along with that. Now here we can see in uh, in the caste male and female division we can observe. We are not going to count in the values, we are going to add it in a rows. So we will get the religion as well as division along with their gender. Same we can apply for the caste and here we get all the further division. So minute and minute chart formation you can do for the same things. If I release it from here, now we can see this. Now again, I can make a presentation for them with the help of a bar diagram. Here we can see that how many male and how many females as per the caste, and we are having different filters over here. If I just only want these things, now I have a chart like this way. Okay. This is all for the qualitative data. Now, if I want the percentage of it, here we will just make a copy of all this data. Sorry, we are not going to copy this. We are going to perform different function. So let's say here gender, male, female, total, here frequency and percentage. Now I will do the function is equal to COUNTIF function. I will double click on the formula. Then I will select the gender if I want to do it manually and not with the pivot table. Then after selection, I will do comma, double inverted commas, male, double inverted commas complete, make the bracket complete. Remember that for each and every formula, bracket completion is a mandatory. So here we will get the number same. Again, we will perform the same function for the female COUNTIF. Then select the column which not include the variable name. Variable row is variable cell should not get included. Then comma, double inverted commas, female, double inverted commas complete, column bracket complete, and then enter. Now to add this, we will do AutoSum function over here and we will get 30 as a total. For the percentage, we will do the is equal to select this divided by first is equal to bracket, select the cell of a male frequency divided by total number of frequency. Now here we are going to add dollar sign before and after column identification, which is a Q. I'm going to enter the column dollar sign by pressing Shift and 4 before and after the column name, so that which is a total get fixed. Then I'm going to multiply it by 100 and then complete the bracket and enter. Now here if I track this, then we will get the 40 as female because here we fixed the column Q. Here in a formula bar you can see that here in a formula bar, here we can see the formula bar. What is the formula? Please note it formula. So here we fix by the dollar, the total, the row number we are fixed by the dollar sign. So we can perform same function for the other. So now here we have a total of 100 because the percentage make it 100. Now for the presentation, we have to make these 3 columns and row in the form of a table. So I'm going to perform all borders and here it get converted into the table. Now it will become very easy to make a presentation. I will select this first and then frequency, and I am now going to perform the insert function for a bar diagram. I will insert a bar diagram and here we get the total number of a population, male and female division. Now I will do the function for the percentage. I will select first this column, press the control key, then again select the percentage. Now move to the insert. Then recommended charts, here we will do the pie chart, 3D pie chart we will do. And here we will get male, female and total percentage. Here it will get best indicated because all the numbers and all the things are indicated over here. So we can see like this way or like this way, how many males, females, how many total are there. So in percentage form, we can observe this thing like way. So manually also we can perform the same function for the editing of a presentation or editing of your charts or diagrams. For editing of your chart and diagram, we can do here format, and here you can do anything with your, and here with the design, you can change the design. You can have multiple options, change color and all the things you can perform here. We can change the color like this way. So all these functions you need to do by yourself for the better understanding. Like this way, you can perform same things with you will do try to do with your own for the religion, caste, this qualitative data. Now for the presentation of a quantitative data, we are going to perform the function. Here we are starting with the age. Here age. Now with what difference we need? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I want this type of data. Again, I need a frequency. So, what I will do, I will select all this column up to the level of 60. I will add a equal to sign, then frequency, double click over here, then select the age column from this. Now give a comma and select this column and close the bracket. Now I will fix each cell by putting dollar sign before and after the each cell. Here E2 is fixed, then E31 is get also fixed by same function by putting a dollar sign. To put a dollar sign, press shift and 4 on the number row. I had fixed again remaining things. Now at after the column, after the bracket completion, I will press Control Shift and Enter button together. So I will get the frequency. So here we will get the age and frequency. Now I will select this. I can insert this by for the frequency we will prefer the histogram. Here we will select the histogram. Then so here we get the frequency like this way. Or here we get the frequency like this way. Now for the cumulative frequency, just add is equal to, then sum of what? Sum of this, comma, sorry, colon, again of this, same, and, but I have to is equal to sum this cell, colon, again this, then complete bracket. For the fixation of, I have to fix this sum, this cell. I'm going to fix this cell by putting dollar sign because I had to fix it. Then I will give the colon and again I will select the same cell, then complete the bracket, enter. Now I can use this formula and drag down till end. So we will get the cumulative frequency like this. Now I am going to do it very properly, proper column formation. Now again make it proper by putting all the borders. Now insert. Now this recommended charts. Here we can use this cumulative as well as frequency chart together, and here we go. Here we get all the details about the frequency as well as the cumulative frequency. So you can just select only cumulative frequency, or here you can select only the for the recommended is always a scatter diagram or a line diagram for the cumulative frequency. So here we can see the cumulative frequency diagram. Now again we are going to perform the function of group adding group data and ungroup data. Here again I had selected the pivot table. Here we are going to observe. Now I will select the age here. Age here and age here. I will do the count of age, count of age. So now I will go here in a one cell, then right click. Here we can see the grouping. Here the differentiation with the part of difference between the two groups is 10. So here I will select OK, and here I get that 18 to 27, and like this way differentiation. Again I can select this data. I can make here we get the grouping of this each. Okay, I can design with the various things. We have a format. Again, design like this way. We can group the data and can perform the function. We can change the color like this way. So this all about, like this way we can do same function for the other entities of a quantitative data. This is all about the data presentation. Thank you for patience listening.